On July 26, 1908, a small group of federal investigators reported for duty under the Department of Justice. That date is now recognized as the beginning of the agency we know as the FBI. The Department of Justice had existed since 1870, but it had no permanent team of investigators. When federal crimes needed to be examined, officials relied on private detectives or borrowed agents from other government departments. In 1908, Congress restricted the Justice Department's ability to borrow Secret Service agents. The decision left the department needing an investigative force of its own. Attorney General Charles Bonaparte responded by creating a permanent special agent force within the Department of Justice. It was small, but it gave the department investigators who answered directly to federal officials. On July 26th, Bonaparte ordered the investigators to report to Chief Examiner Stanley Finch. With that written directive, the foundation of the modern FBI was in place. In March 1909, the force was formally named the Bureau of Investigation. As new federal laws were passed, its authority began expanding across state lines and throughout the country. But expanding power also brought serious abuses. During the Palmer raids of 1919 and 1920, thousands of people were swept into a federal crackdown marked by unlawful searches, questionable arrests, and violations of civil liberties. On May 10th, 1924, J. Edgar Hoover became the acting director. Under his leadership, the Bureau expanded agent training, centralized fingerprint records, and increased its use of forensic science. On March 22nd, 1935, the Bureau officially became the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the FBI. What began as a small group of investigators had become a permanent national law enforcement agency. Federal investigation had become permanent, national, and powerful. That power has helped investigate serious crimes and bring cases into federal court. But history also shows why law enforcement power must be watched, questioned, and held accountable.